Mabuhay og madayaw! My name is Alexandra Marie C. Ruiz, a student from Davao Oriental State University, taking up Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. I am passionate about building a career in the hospitality industry, especially in customer service, food and beverage operations, and housekeeping operations, where I can further develop my skills and contribute positively to your company. During my academic journey, I gained hands-on experience through catering services, culinary events, and school engagements. I work as an on-call service crew in different catering events where I assisted in venue preparation, served food and beverages, and ensured guests received quality service. These experiences helped me improve my communication skills, teamwork, adaptability, and ability to work under pressure. I also participated in the 12th and 13th Dorso Culinary Cup, where I assisted in the restaurant setup competitions and stage preparations activities. Through these experiences, I learned the importance of time management, professionalism, and attention to detail in hospitality operations. In addition, I attended several seminars and workshops related to hospitality management, food safety and sanitation, leadership, and customer service excellence. These trainings strengthened my knowledge and prepared me to become more confident and responsible in the workplace. I am eager to continue learning new skills and gain international exposure. I consider myself hardworking, dedicated, quick to adapt, and committed to providing excellent service to guests and clients. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video resume. I look forward to the opportunity to become part of your team and contribute to your company's success. Have a great day.